One day in a concentration camp, a Nazi commander discovered that someone stole a piece of bread from the kitchen. He right away gathered all the Jews in the camp and told them to line up shoulder to shoulder. That's what they did. And he said, I have discovered that somebody took a piece of bread. Whoever that person is should step forward. As he was holding his gun, ready to shoot, every single one of these Jews all stepped forward. At that moment, he was so dumbfounded that he let everybody go. The power of unity. Ve'ahavta lereacha, you should love your fellow kamocha, just like yourself. The Baal Shem Tov explains that the same way that you excuse yourself, forgive yourself for your wrongdoings. Ve'ahavta lereacha, love your fellow and find excuses for him. But it's more than that. The Alter Rebbe explains that we really have to feel how we are really one. We are one big body. Every part of the body is important. Sometimes one part of the body needs more attention than the other. But when you feel in your mind, in your heart, that you are one, then your prayers go up to heaven. They're able to break through all blockages. Not only that, we read on Friday night a part of the Zohar in Parashat Truma that says that the moment that there is unity, it's so powerful that the light that comes out of that union is able to blind all the negative forces and push away all the darkness and negativity in the world. This is what we need. And that's why in Parashat Kedoshim, it talks about loving your fellow as yourself. It starts with the actions of one person, caring about somebody else, looking beyond, not judging the outside, but looking what's happening with this person. Maybe this person just needs a smile. Maybe they just need a little love. Shlomo HaMelech teaches us, Kamayim apanim el apanim, ken lev ha'adam el ha'adam. The same way one sees his reflection in the water, if he's smiling, he'll see a smiling face. If he is sad, he'll see a sad face. So too the heart of man to man. Ve'ahavta lerecha kamocha, loving your fellow as yourself, starts with you.